The Vericom is easy to operate and easily assembled using the instructions in your manual. It works off its own batteries, it can plug into 12 volts, or you can use the AC adapter included with the unit. To use 12 volts, plug the power cord into the back of the unit and into the vehicle's cigarette lighter. Most testing will be conducted by mounting the Vericom roughly in the middle of the windshield, using the supplied bracket and suction cup. It may also be mounted anywhere in the vehicle, which allows the unit to be parallel to the road surface both longitudinally and laterally. To mount the Vericom, push the suction cup up against the windshield and pump on the plunger until the red line disappears. If we want to level the unit out, we release the thumb screw and align the unit so that the level indicator on the front of the unit is level. That represents the y-axis, and the level indicator on the left side of the unit is level. That represents the x-axis. We tighten the thumb screw, and now we're ready to use the Vericom. In the default mode, with G-Summation 3D selected, the Vericom does not have to be level to get accurate results. To verify this, go to Tools, scroll down to Setup, press Enter. Scroll to Accelerometer. Press Enter. Select G-Summation. Press Enter. Choose G-Summation 3D if not already selected. Press Clear to get back to the Ready screen. You can tilt the unit in any direction for easy visibility. Tighten down the thumb screw once it is in the proper position. The Vericom has two modes, acceleration and braking. When used as a brake meter, the Vericom will measure a vehicle's braking force, braking speed, braking time, and braking distance. The vehicle must be at a complete stop when you press the braking button. The Vericom will zero adjust. Then push the Auto Start button. Accelerate to approximately 20 miles per hour and slam on the brakes quick and hard, bringing the vehicle to a complete stop. After the run, the Vericom will display the elapsed time 1.56 seconds, the initial braking speed 22.2 miles per hour, the stopping distance 27 feet, the average G.649, and the adjusted distance for 20 miles per hour, which is 22.2 feet. Some states inspect to the average G and others inspect to the stopping distance at 20 miles per hour. When doing acceleration runs, the Vericom becomes an onboard dynamometer. In the acceleration mode, the Vericom will measure the speed, distance, time, and average G. The desired run length can be pre-programmed into the Vericom for any given speed, time, or distance. This means that the Vericom will automatically start and stop itself at the programmed parameters. For acceleration, press the acceleration button. There are default selections for speed 0 to 30 miles per hour, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 80 miles per hour. For distance 0 to 100 feet, 0 to 300 feet, and for time the default is 0 to 10 seconds or the quarter mile. For custom setups, scroll down to Custom. Press Enter and you can pick time, speed, distance, or G-force. For this example, we will use time. Press Enter. The Vericom will prompt you for the acceleration time that you want. We will accelerate to 15 seconds. Enter 1500. Press Enter. The Vericom will zero adjust for the slope and will display Auto Start Ready. Then accelerate and the Vericom will turn off after 15 seconds. The Vericom has a second accelerometer for measuring lateral G. This feature can be used for measuring the vehicle's cornering ability, critical speed yaw, or lane change formulas. Continuous G-graphing mode shows the lateral G-forces in both directions in real time. A friction circle graph is plotted to measure the driver's performance. To use the Vericom as a digital G-meter, go to the Tool button, highlight the Monitor mode, press Enter, select the function you want to use. In this case, it would be G-force. Press Enter. The Vericom will prompt us to save the file in memory, and we will select No. Now we see that all three axes are displayed: the peak minus lateral G, the peak plus lateral G, the instantaneous lateral G. The same information is displayed for X longitudinal axis and the Z vertical axis. To view the data graphically, push the Graph button. The first graph is the longitudinal axis. Push the Graph button again, and now we see the lateral G-force. Push the Graph button again, and we get a friction circle. If you drove the car on a figure 8 track, it would draw a circle on the graph. Push the Graph button again, and the crosshair graph is displayed showing both lateral and longitudinal G-force. When the vehicle accelerates, brakes, and turns, then you can see the G-force changing. Push the Graph Data button again, and it will bring you back to the data screen. The Vericom has additional functions available by pressing the Tools key. Scroll down for Monitor Mode, Crash Mode, Automatic Calibration Check, Setup, and Delete runs individually. There are instructions on how to calibrate the internal compass and options for exporting to the SD card.